India is a signatory for UN Convention for Child Rights, but we do nothing about it. So now we are on a strong movement on campaigning, advocacy, and intervention on child rights and juvenile justice. All this time we were caring for the need, but now we want to get into the prevention. How we can prevent people coming into this kind of situation.
SCAN has developed its own model to provide sustainable, comprehensive services for children who are abused, children in need of care and protection, and children in conflict with the law, and is another project of ElShaddai Charitable Trust.
Right now, we have been just funded by ElShaddai. I'm a lawyer, okay, and I've been working in this field for quite a long time before I joined ElShaddai.
So when we started that campaign, there was no juvenile officers in the police stations. The children used to be arrested, beaten up, jailed. Now they can't do. As a result of our intervention, all the police stations in Goa has juvenile officers.
Okay, like we appear for the juveniles. When the witnesses, cross-examination, the entire trial, inquiry takes place. In the meanwhile, we also try to put the child in counseling.
The children in conflict with law was never looked into. And we also look into the aspect of children who have been released. They are in conflict with law, they have been released. But the aftercare is not there. Because when you're released from a home, you just go bing. So if there is an aftercare, which we have from 18 to 21, we house them, we give them a house.
Okay, we had a number of cases where children have become adults and gone into jails by committing more grave crimes. We want to just put an end to it, that no child gets into crime again.
We work very well with the government, and the government has, I think, appreciated what we've done so far. And most of the time they turn to us that, if there's a problem like this, because basically we are the only organization which works with children in conflict with law and the aftercare.
Yeah, drawback here is we have very small staff. We are just 4 of us right now. We have more than 200 children who are victims of abuse, and we have more than 150 boys who have committed crimes in just these 2 years. In short time, we have a lot of success stories to say.
We also do a lot of training for the lawyers, magistrates, or various kinds of change agents. We do training for schools, panchayat, trying to teach more and more people about the rights of the children.
People may not be knowing that verbal abuse is also an abuse. Okay, or even without giving them the required medical attention is also an abuse. So our major target is also reach out to the locals and to make them aware that there are laws specifically for children and women. SCAN, we are a part of drafting of many laws and rules in Goa. It's a part of, with the government, we assist in giving out commands and going through the laws. So our comments are taken into consideration and major amendments are done.
I would like to see some of the basic laws of India for children implemented, like child protection. I would love to see it really seriously implemented. We've helped put together the child protection law, but not everywhere it's implemented. There is still so much on ground level to be done.